Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof! Hello and welcome to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woo! Today's sound is E. What can you see? Now let's see what we can see that has the E sound in it. Let's go! Hoof! Look what I found! Some cheese! Cheese! It's so cold in the freezer! Freezer! Trees. Hey, look, it's my brother Boots eating his favourite food, weeds. Hey, what's that sheep doing here? Hello, dear. Hello. Now, something I have found is that E, what can you see, never comes at the beginning of a word.
Excuse me.
Oh, Eeyore, what are you doing here?
It does come at the beginning of a word.
No, it doesn't. There are no words that start with E. What can you see?
Eeyore.
That's not a word. That's a noise and your name. That doesn't count. Off you go.
Oh no.
Donkeys. There are other E words that you can't see, like breeze and squeeze.
Puffles.
Oh no, he's back.
Eel.
What about eel?
It has E at the beginning, like an electric eel. Hoof.
Oh, brother. How many E words did you find today? Tune in tomorrow for more of... And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof! Is that E never comes at... Hugsley, what? Hugsley! Hugsley!
Hoof. He's very top heavy, Puffles.
Buddy, come get it together, man. Retake.